and just what every gardener wants to see in the cabbage patch. My name is Gwynn and I am so thrilled to have you here. Today I'm going to explore with you a common problem that all of us organic gardeners face: pressure from caterpillars, particularly those pesky white cabbage butterflies. They are a menace. But how do we, gardeners who are trying to adopt organic principles in our garden, cope with them? In this video, I'm going to show you 2 organic methods that I tried, one with more success than the other, to solve the problems of caterpillars on my capsicums. I planted it, the seed, with my own little lily whites. I nurtured it and I put it in the ground and I was so excited about it. But I turned my back on it for a couple of minutes and those pesky white cabbage moths got into it. And when I turned back to look at it, it had been denuded. Every leaf was chowed. I went and I bought myself a bag of these little butterflies. The idea being that you put them around the plant and the butterflies flittering around see these. They're very territorial and they say, oops, no, we can't go there. Somebody else has already colonized it and their babies are going to be eating all their leaves. There won't be enough leaves for my babies, so I'll bugger off somewhere else. That's the theory. Whether it worked, well, yeah. But they're cute and they're whimsical and I love them. So, as a success for getting rid of, nah. What I did do, which proved to be way more successful, was, I'm terrible. Do you do this too? Do you open packets upside down? Drives Andrew insane. Anyway, that's just a diversion. What I did use, which was way more effective, is Nature's Way dipple or dipel in Australia. It's called BT in North America. And what it is, it's a bacillus, it's a bacteria. And you spray the plant and it doesn't affect the butterflies in any way. They still come and land on it and deposit their flippin' rotten eggs on it. But when the caterpillars hatch, they eat the leaves and the leaves are poisonous and they die. So that was way more effective than my pretty little whimsical butterflies. If you enjoyed the video and I gave you some value, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.